Good day, everyone. Today I am going to discuss about action buttons in MS PowerPoint. A PowerPoint presentation can be made more interactive and user-friendly for the audience by adding action buttons to the slides. These buttons can make the presentation easier to browse and give the impression that the slides are websites. Think carefully about how your audience will use your PowerPoint presentation before adding action buttons. Should the action buttons take up a large amount of space at the bottom or side of the slides, or should they be clearly visible? How will the buttons be used by the audience? And will using action buttons for navigation simply make the point of your presentation clearer? In adding action button 1, select the slide where you would like to insert the action button. 2. Go to the Insert tab from the ribbon and select the Shapes drop-down arrow. At the bottom of the list, you will see the options for action buttons. 3. Select the one that best matches the action you want to perform. 4. When your cursor changes to a crosshair symbol, use it to drag and draw the shape to the slide. 5. If needed, you can also resize the button by dragging a corner or edge. 6. Once you draw the action button, the Calc Action Settings box automatically appears. 7. Use the Mouse Click tab to assign an action for when you click the button, or use the Mouse Over tab to assign an action for when you hover your cursor over it. 8. You can choose to hyperlink the button, trigger a program, run a macro, or use an object linking and embedding OLE object action. Hyperlink. 2. Use the drop-down list to select what you would like to link to, such as the next slide, last slide, a custom show, URL, or file. Run program. Use the Browse button to select the program you want to open. Run macro. Use the drop-down box and select a macro from the list. If you do not have any macros in the presentation, this option is in gray mode. Object action. If you have an OLE object, use the drop-down box to choose the action. If you are not using an OLE object, this option is in gray mode. 9. When you are done with the settings, click OK to edit an action button 1. If you want to edit the action, select the button, shape, or image. Then go to the Insert tab from the ribbon and click the Action command from the Links group. 2. Make necessary changes and click OK to test the action button in your slideshow 1. Once you add your action button, you may now give it a try to make sure it works as you expect. 2. Go to the slide containing the action button and select the Slideshow tab. 3. Choose From Current Slide on the left side of the ribbon. 4. You will then see your presentation starting with the slide containing the action button. 5. Either click the button or hover your cursor over it, depending on the setup you picked in order to let you jump to the file or the slide that you linked to. That would be all, and thank you for watching.